Imagine holding the ultimate power, the ability to rewrite the blueprint of life. No, not to create flying pigs or turn broccoli into candy, but to cure genetic diseases, upgrade intelligence, and even reshape evolution itself. Welcome to CRISPR, the revolutionary technology that's making all this possible. And don't worry, it's not some evil science fiction experiment yet. Today, we will explore how CRISPR works, its mind-blowing possibilities, and why it might be the most exciting and terrifying thing humanity has ever discovered. First, a little history lesson. CRISPR isn't some fancy gadget invented in a shiny lab. It actually comes from bacteria. Yes, those tiny critters you blame for your last cold. Bacteria use CRISPR as their immune system. When a virus attacks, the bacteria snip out a little piece of the virus DNA and store it as a memory, kind of like collecting baseball cards, except way more useful. When the same virus comes back, the bacteria use this memory to recognize the intruder and destroy it. It is basically the bacterial version of, not today, Satan. Scientists saw this and thought, hey, if bacteria can do this, why can't we? And just like that, CRISPR became the superhero of genetics. Now, how does CRISPR actually work? Imagine you are editing a book. CRISPR is the system that helps you find the typo, and Cas9 is the red pen, or in this case, the molecular scissors that makes the cut. First, scientists create a guide RNA. This is like a super specific GPS that knows exactly where in the DNA to go. It's so precise it makes Google Maps look like a blindfolded tourist asking for directions. Once the guide RNA leads Cas9 to the exact spot, Cas9 makes a clean cut. Then the cell's repair system steps in, either fixing the cut or letting scientists insert new DNA. CRISPR isn't just a lab toy, it's already changing lives. In medicine, scientists are using it to cure genetic diseases like sickle cell anemia. Imagine walking into a hospital with a condition you have had your whole life and walking out cured. It's like uninstalling a virus from your body's operating system. CRISPR is also revolutionizing agriculture. Farmers are now growing crops that are resistant to droughts, pests, and diseases. Soon, we might even have bananas that last more than 2 days. And yes, scientists are even talking about using CRISPR to bring back extinct species. While it's exciting to think about woolly mammoths roaming the Arctic again, let's maybe hold off on the dinosaurs. We have all seen how that ends. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the CRISPR room. Designer babies. With this technology, we could theoretically choose our children's traits, height, intelligence, athletic ability, even eye color. But should we? What happens if everyone wants their kids to be 6-foot geniuses with perfect teeth? Suddenly, we are living in a world where every school photo looks like a clone army of supermodels. Beyond aesthetics, there is a deeper ethical issue. If genetic editing becomes expensive, only the wealthy might afford it, creating a new divide, those who are genetically enhanced and those stuck with the factory settings. Imagine a future where your job application gets rejected because you don't have the productivity gene 2.0. Depressing, right? But let's not get ahead of ourselves. CRISPR isn't perfect. It can make mistakes. A cut in the wrong place could cause unintended mutations, like fixing a typo in a Word document but accidentally deleting the whole paragraph. And the ripple effects of a single edit could last for generations. It's like pulling a loose thread on your sweater and realizing you've unraveled the whole thing. Awkward. So, as we stand on the brink of this genetic revolution, the question isn't just what can we do, but also what should we do. The future of CRISPR is bright, but only if we handle it with care. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. If you could edit one thing about yourself, what would it be?